Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, you're going to see job opportunities for civil engineers and electrical engineer. And name of the company is CSIR, National Environment Engineering Research Institute. So it's a wonderful opportunity to work under the Ministry of Government of India. So don't miss this opportunity. So this is the official website of CSIR. I will be giving the link in the description as well as advertisement PDF so that you can see the detailed information. So when you scroll down, you can see job opportunity. This is the one we're going to apply, that is project assistant and project associate one under the project capacity building and technical assistance. So this is for non-regular online application. Date of opening is 23/12 and date of closing is 6/1. When you come down, you can see two different links. One will regular is link is closed, non-regular the link is open. So this is the advertisement for it. So it's only purely through online interview. It will be conducted to video conferencing on MS Team. So advertisement is data as I mentioned below. Eligible and interested candidates are invited for online interview through Microsoft Team for the purely temporary position of capacity building and technical assistant for air quality management in Nagpur city. So those who are willing to work in Nagpur, you can go for it. And last date for application is January 6, 2021, and number of vacancies, that is for project assistant, one position is available. Who can apply? Diploma in electrical engineering can apply. You have to handle the air quality samples and instrument. So age limit is up to 50 years and you will be getting a salary of 20,000 plus HRA per month. The second job posting is project associate one vacancy will be there. Who can apply is those who are having BE or BTech in civil engineering from recognized university can apply. You have to maintain the air quality monitoring, sample analysis, emission estimation, data interruption. So these things you have to make it up, and age limit is 35 years. You will be getting a salary of 31,000 plus HRA to scholars who have selected through National Eligibility Test CSIR UGC NET including lectureship or GATE. Mode of selection will be done on an interview conferencing through MS Team, and thereof interview will be notified separately through your registered mail ID. Candidates are not required to pay any application fee. See here, no need to pay any fee. An application form for particular position code can be filled in online for particular position, which will be available in the website. So they have given the website. So all manpower position in the projects will be a contract basis only, no permanent one. The shortlisted applicant shall be appear to interview through MS Team, and once you are appearing for the online interview at 10 a.m. you should be available there, and you will be called during your allotted time. So upon selection, there is no any assurance that you will be permanently stick on that. So it's everything will be in a contract basis and temporary one. So for applying, you have to click on apply online. So you'll be having a link here, click on apply online. So you have to fill this advertisement, I mean you have to fill this all your details in the online, so that they will be calling you or sending you further information. So here you need to choose everything, whatever thing you are applying for, and finally once completing, you have to give a submit. You have to put a tick mark in the box and you have to submit for applying for this job, and they will be calling you through your registered mail ID and send further information. So if you feel this video is useful, means kindly share the video to civil graduates and electrical graduates. They will be making the best use of it. And thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Do subscribe our channel and stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep.